Hi everybody, welcome back. It is that time once again to update you on my Mini Madness project rolling pan that I'm doing with the wonderful ladies at the PANtastic Ladies of Facebook group. Down below in that description box, I'm going to leave you a link for the PANtastic Ladies of Facebook group page, as well as another link that will take you to a document that will give you all of the participants who are in this collab so that you can go watch their videos and see how their Mini Madness panning projects are coming along. So what this project is, it's a rolling pan project. So as you use a product, you get to bring another one in. So these are all going to be small deluxe size sample or mini size items. And like I said, as you use one up, you get to roll a new one in. You start off with 10. This project ends in December. So hopefully by then I will have used up a lot of my tiny little stuff that's floating around here because Lord knows I have plenty of it. Also, real quick, if you haven't, I highly encourage you to check out the video that will be linked up here as well as down below in the description box to enter my birthday giveaway. I'm giving away Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam Palette, as well as some other little goodies that are being sprinkled in there as well. But without further ado, let's get into this. So the products that we have that have rolled over from last month that are still going this month, we'll start off with that. The first thing we have up here, this is the Boscia Exfoliating Peel Gel, and our mark is now down to here. We've probably only got just a couple more uses left of this. Next is the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. Now, I haven't remarked it yet because, you know, this primer tends to get like a little air bubble in it as you use it, and so I can't really mark it just because of the way it's, you know, kind of that air bubble is in here, but I use this every day, so we've definitely made progress. The Tarte Hydro Splash Color Lipstick in the shade Set Sail. We still have just a little bit of a nub left. Not much of this one left at all. Our two eyeliners here. We have the Lancome Drama Intense Liquid Pencil in the shade Noir Intense. And the Sephora 12-Hour Gels Contour Waterproof liner in the shade Love Affair. I've sharpened both of these a couple of times. We're getting down to little bitty nubs here, so making really good progress. The Makeup Forever HD Foundation. Did not use any of this one yet because I'm trying out some other ones, but I will definitely have to use this over the summer because this is like my summertime skin tone. It might even be just a hair too dark, but we definitely got to try and get it used up. And then the Josie Maran Surreal Finishing Balm. I have used some amount of this, so we're definitely making some progress on that. And now items that I finished this month. Woohoo! The Caudalie Vine Active Eye Cream. I knew this was almost gone anyway, but yeah, it's completely finished now. I really did like this product. I love Caudalie products as it is. Does it do anything like life transforming for my under eyes? No, but it sets down such good moisture so that when I put on my concealer and powders, it doesn't look so dry and, you know, kind of get that cakiness. It still has some life and some bounce left in my eyes. So I really did enjoy using this. And now these next two, they've just got to go. I didn't finish them. They've got to go. The first one is the Coola Organic Makeup Setting Spray with SPF 30. I cannot use this because the alcohol that's in it, or I don't know if it's the chemical of the sunscreen that it's in it, but it's so potent and so powerful that the smell, and if it gets anywhere near my mouth and I taste it, it's just wretched. Just wretched. Do not like it. And next up, the Glam Glow Super Cleanse Clearing Cream to Foam Cleanser. The day after I used it, I felt like, well, maybe it's just, you know, bringing up some stuff to the surface. You know, maybe that's what it's doing. The next time I used it, I was all broke out where it just kind of like a hivey rash. It was horrible. So this, nope, got to go. And since I'm pulling 3 items out, that means we get to pull 3 new items in. So the first one I'm pulling in here, this is the Sephora. This is the Triple Action Cleansing Water. Next is the Belief Moisturizing Eye Balm because I always have to have an eye cream. And then the last one is the Fresh Lotus Youth Preserve Mask. And so that's it. That is update number 6 for the Mini Madness rolling project pan that I'm doing with the wonderful PANtastic ladies of Facebook. I highly encourage you to open up that description box down below. Check out the PANtastic ladies Facebook group page. It's a wonderful group of ladies. If you're new to panning, if you're just curious about panning, go ahead and check that out and see what it's all about. Also, don't forget to check out all of the ladies that are participating in this group. I will leave all of their links down below as well. And also my giveaway, you don't want to forget about that. That will be linked down below as well. As always, I of course want to thank you for spending a little bit of your time with me today. I truly, truly do appreciate it. And of course, as always, before you leave, make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. You definitely don't want to miss out on any videos that I have coming up. And I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye.